Hey guys, it's the breakfast for me. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Guess what, y'all? Today is a good day, right? It is, right? For you right here and for me, okay? Put that in your head, get it already, soak it, marinate it. It's a good day. So, what's going on? We're going to move some stuff really quick and then we're going to come back, okay? All right, y'all. Even though if I can't get it down, the shelves I'm saying, we still moving this stuff, okay? So we're going to take this. I got a location for this. We're going to find a new home for this because she's actually trying to grow another one on the side. I don't know if y'all can see. See that little right here? Look at that. I think we're in business. But she's still green, so it must be all right. And then this baby here, oh God, you act like you ain't want to come off the shelf. I did take, maybe I might have to do something else with this one because, I don't know. For right now, we're taking them down, but we're gonna find places for them to go. But I just wanted to see if I can get these down because I don't have the other, oh, okay. I don't have like the screwdriver. It's in the truck, so I can't use the power drill to get these down. But I can start. If you're gonna do something, at least give it a start, y'all, so you can, get things moving. I don't want to be a procrastinator. If I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it. So, what I'm gonna end up probably putting up here, y'all, above this breaker box, I'm just gonna find a small picture. I would love for something that has like a meaningful saying, but just in a certain type of font, print, or whatever. Yeah. So guys, look. We got this one down. Ew. And I'm a clean person. This is yucky. But, okay. We got that one down. And let's see if I can get the other one down. Then I'll work on the other parts later. You know what I mean? That wasn't too bad. Oh. And then the kitchen will be more open, y'all. Y'all gotta remember, this is when we first came here. I just was trying to put stuff so it can have a home. But now that I'm here, it hasn't even been a year yet. It'll be a year, and it'll be a year, I think, on the 17th. So still trying to take things together the way I like them and feel comfortable. But basically, I had put the shelves, to block the circuit box and to house baskets and stuff like that. But it's just too much, y'all. Y'all already know how I feel about the shelvings on the wall. I'd rather have a shelf standing up somewhere in another area instead of that. Okay, so it's done, y'all. So let's go find. After this, I gotta get out of here. But let's go find somewhere for these to go. Okay. So what I did was I put this one here. I really like that because I told you guys it's the wood for me. That wood just balances out everything here, and it balances out that, and it goes along with the mirror here. So, and the shelf that it's on. So what I did was I just put the elephant down here. I put my Monstera Swiss cheese piece that we're trying to grow, propagate. Not propagate, but y'all know what I mean. Okay, we're waiting for her to bloom because she got some stuff going on here. But yeah, and then I just put the snake plant down here in front of the Lord's Prayer, but you still can see the Lord's Prayer. And then you could just slide these over a little bit. And then I just put my other, you guys, and then this one, I see a millibug. See right there? Right here. Y'all, I'm going to set her outside. And I'm just going to wait. When I come back from work, I'm going to put her back in the sink and do her all over again. So, yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Got the shelf done. And that's a wrap. I'm about to wrap my hair up. I wanted to put a scarf on my hair today. So, and then I'll twist my hair. I'll see you guys back in a little while. Hey guys, I stopped at Whole Foods to get me some sparkling soda. I'm trying to see which one I want to try today. It's been a long time since I had these. Let's see. I think I'm gonna do I'm not gonna do the tangerine. I'm gonna do the melon punch, and they're $3, so that ain't too bad. And I think I'll try the blood orange. I'll let you guys know what it tastes like. I'm trying to think what else I want to get. Oh, I want to go get some cookies, y'all, for real. I don't know which one to get. Look at this. They got these, $5.99. That ain't bad. And then I got these here. These are vegan, and these are $4.99. Oh Lord, y'all, this is not the right place to be. I have a sweet tooth right now. I'm being honest. I'm back, so I'm gonna show y'all if y'all are interested. I spent $24.15 for a few items. I only got one of the juices though, because when you get in these stores, y'all got to be careful. Especially now, that's where some of my money go. Most of my money goes to eating good stuff, and vitamins and stuff like that. But I'll just show you real quick what I got. So I got these 365. Y'all go check out my other channel, because this ain't the vegan channel. I only got one of the cookies, because look how many you get. Look how many you get, and look how big they are. So I got those. I got, I did stop and get this, because somebody wanted me to do a breakfast thing, and I've been wanting to get these anyway. Not just for the breakfast meal, but just to have, instead of me getting the liquid, I'd rather have this because it's frozen. So I got these. I also got some queso for these chips. I got some queso, and it is vegan. Y'all, I was really surprised it's vegan. And last but not least, I just got the one drink. And I got a ways to get home, y'all. So, because I think it's already like almost 4:30. So, yeah. And then I got the original Oatly oat milk, and it is vegan down here where it says 100% vegan. I got that, and that's it, guys. So, just wanted to show you really quick what I got, and I got to go back to doing what I was doing, and I'll see you guys a little later. Okay, guys. I'm so glad I'm home now, but I'm so glad that I did not give up, and I put my big girl pants on. My big girl pants right here, and get back to the housework twerk, okay? So I was able to get these two down. So I am going to have to remove these two, what do you call the drywall nail studs or whatever. I'm going to have to pull those out with the pinch snippers. And then thank God this one only had two in there. So I only have to take out those two. Then I have one left. I know it looks crazy, but what I'm going to do is I already have to get paint for the back room, for that one side that had those shelves in there, and I end up putting repost gray, Sherwin-Williams repost gray, where it's supposed to be mindful gray. So I already have to go get a mindful gray to cover that up. And then while I'm there, I'm gonna get I'm gonna see if I can go there or somewhere else to see how much is a really small. This is white paint, so it has to be bright white. So I don't know, but basically what I had to do was, I am going to invest in my own power tools, y'all, for me. But I had to use this screwdriver and just press really hard to unloosen it and just keep it firm into the wall, and then it end up coming loose. But these were put in here with the actual drill, the power tool. So right now I say I don't have a power tool in the house, so So I do have tools here in my little box, but whew, y'all, this is a workout. So if you want some good arm work, if you want some good arm workout, use just some regular standard screwdrivers. You get all the workout you need. So just a little bit of elbow grease. Woo, y'all, was able to get it out. So once I'm finished with this last one, because it's already almost 6 o'clock. Once I'm done with this one, I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. Uh-oh, I'm losing my bit. I'm gonna take this one off. I'm probably gonna have to use a stool to take that one off. And then, I didn't realize how long these screws are. Then I'll vacuum behind the thing here, and then we'll sit down for a minute and have a little conversation. Oh, now that wasn't so bad. This one didn't have studs, but these two have studs. I'm wondering if these have studs, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all. Don't give up. Put your big girl pants on. Uh-oh. Put your big old pants on. Well, mine ain't big, but put your girl pants on and get busy. Work it. Twerk it. Yeah. Housework, twerk, y'all. I'll see you guys in a minute, okay? Guys, look at that. Even though that has to be painted, I am so loving the space. So it just gave me time to clean everything, clean the top of the washing machine. Everything is so fresh. But in the meantime, yeah, so guys, typically on Wednesday, I wouldn't even be here at this time, most of the time. So I just appreciate the fact that I was able to get it out the way. And it gives me something less that I have to do. But in the meantime, it's done already. And I'm thanking him for it. But in the meantime, we're going to have us some queso to eat. And I'm probably going to close out this video, y'all. I'm probably going to close this video out. So, yeah, I appreciate you guys for tuning in today. Really, really appreciate it. So, let me get me a plate. Our little fancy little thing here. I love this. Put me some chips on here. They have everything tight, so everything is always so tight. You can't even open it. Where's my scissors? Okay. Yeah, you can't even open this stuff. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in today. So now I'm going to appreciate my piece of artwork that I'm going to find. I know I'm going to find one. I know for sure I'm going to find one. I'm going to find exactly what I'm looking for. I'm putting it in an atmosphere. I'm already claiming it. I'm already naming it. So yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy tuning in. I think that might be enough. I just basically want to taste this because I can't really never have queso because it has like shrimp or crab or something in it. So, yeah. So yeah, guys, let me put this up real quick. So let me know what you think about the what I decided to do. I kind of been knew that I was gonna put them shelves down because when I took the shelves down in the other room, that gave me the idea. So that's what that sparked. This is pretty good. So, guys, I'm gonna finish watching whatever it was I was watching, and I will see you guys in another video. This is really good, y'all. You try it. So, don't forget, peace, love, and happiness. Love yourself so that you can love others. So this world will be a much better place, y'all. And I'll see you in the next one. And let me know what was the favorite part of this video. Okay? See you guys. Bye, guys.